Hello to everyone. I would like to introduce a new version of HUDext, a new update. You can see that I'm using 2014 and now I have recompiled for this version also. Let's start with adding a new HUD into the scene. I will show how it works, work with the HUDext plugin in common. So if someone don't know how to use it, or forget how to use it, he will remember. I'm adding a new text element, and to make this element interactive, like a button, you should go to the editor, properties, custom properties, and add some new bool value and assign the name of this value should be active. And when you put some checkbox here, now it's interactive. You can put some position for this. It can be also top. And this one can be center. So let it be in the center, on the top. So what's new we have in this version? We have a possibility to switch between several cameras without any needings to connect script execution. How it works? Let's add 2 cameras. It's for situations when you have a lot of cameras in the scene, and there are several cameras that you would like to switch from the current view. So let's see how to deal with this. I add 2 cameras, then I go to my text element editor, and here I should add some new string. The name of this new property should be camera switch. For this property I should assign the value. So let's update. Now we have camera switch. Name of the property, and the value should be the name of the camera, like camera 1 for example. And now when I press this camera, I'm switching to the camera 1. For this camera I can assign the same the same HUD. I can add this HUD to this camera, so I will see the same HUD, actually the same like for my producer perspective. But if I want to switch to another HUD system unique for this camera, I can add a new one just for camera 1. So let's add here a new text control. Let it be also in the center and the horizontal. And let's put a name here like back to perspective. Let's activate and return switching the camera. Camera switch. So activate and return to producer perspective. Okay, let's see in action. Return back to perspective, return to camera 1. Nice. And there are a lot of other things that you can do now with the HUDext plugin. The very important bug fix that I have done on this version is actually supporting the justification horizontal and vertical dock, and also possibility to work with fixed resolution. In previous versions this thing actually didn't work, but now the HUD element working fine, so you can use it. It should be okay. And just one more tip to remember how to work with the simple property assignment. So let it be a plane. Let's put it into the 0 and let's put some kind of light here. And in producer perspective, I have assigned this HUD system. So I'm going to this HUD and add a new text element here. The name of this element, let it be lighting. So what I want to do now is to have a possibility with this HUD element to switch on and switch off my scene light. So it's quite simple. I should just assign the needed property as a reference to this HUDext element. So I'm selecting my light. I'm going to Properties tab, then drag the visibility into the lighting and create property reference. So that's it. Now I have the lighting true. It means that visibility is on. Just I need to activate my HUDext element, active. And with the middle mouse button, actually with all these HUD elements, I'm using middle mouse button to switch to another camera to return back. So to press this button, HUDext button, I'm using middle mouse button. And to switch the lighting, I also will use middle mouse button just to drag to the right, holding the middle mouse button, just like this. I'm switching on, switching off. So it's very simple, but sometimes it's useful usage of HUDext plugin. There are more complex variants, like you can use special script that's available on the blog page, and you can create interesting 2D sliders for facial animation or something like this. So you're welcome. I hope you will find this plugin useful, and see you on L3D.com. Bye.